Hi friends, welcome back to Team Education. Friends, in this video we are solving a problem on locus. The given problem is find the equation of a locus of a point which is equidistance from the coordinate axis. Okay, you see friends, the given condition is first what we are finding equation of a locus of a point. What is mean by locus? Locus is nothing but a moving path which should satisfy the geometrical condition. What condition they are given using? Equidistance from the coordinate axis. Okay, first I am drawing the coordinate axis here. Let's x, this is the x axis and it is a y axis. Now consider the point P here, x comma y. Friends, this point you may take it in the first quadrant or second quadrant or third or fourth. You can take anywhere, but it should be equidistant from the coordinate axis. Now you see friends, the length of this one and length of this one both should be equal. Both should be equal. Then what is the locus of this point? Locus of equation of the locus of this point we require to find. Okay friends. Now you see I am taking this the point. This is touches the x-axis. So let us consider this is x comma 0 and it is another point 0 comma y. Friends, generally to find the equation we are taken randomly. Generally if it is x distance, same from here to here also x distance only we have to take, but here why I chosen y? Because you see friends, suppose what is the quadrant is, it is first quadrant. Here x and y values are positive. What about here? X value is negative, y value is positive. Okay, in this case if you choose in a point P here, this is x comma y. Actually in this case y will be negative x, x will be negative, x will be negative. If you are taken here, the point P value is negative, x value negative and y value is negative. And if you taken here, what will happen here? This is x is negative, sorry, here x is a positive, y is a negative. That is the reason we are taken x comma y be a point in the xy plane. Okay friends, then what we require actually equidistant from the coordinate axis, that is locus we need to find. Let the point m x comma 0 and n 0 comma y. Now equidistant from the coordinate axis means what you can say, pm is equal to pn. pm is equal to pn. This is the geometrical condition. This is the geometrical condition. Now you written what is p? P is a point on the xy plane, that is x comma y, and m is a point x comma 0, x comma 0. Next n is here 0 comma y. Okay friends, now pm is nothing but the distance between p and m. Distance between p and m, we have a formula. Friends, if a is a point x1 comma y1 and b is another point x2 comma y2, if you have, then the distance between a and b we are denoting with as ab is equal to square root of difference between x ordinate squares, that is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is the formula we have friends. Of course you can also write this as x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square only. Okay, even if you written this one or that one, both will be same. Okay, now in this case first what we have to do, pm. So first point is p, so this is indicates x1 and it indicates y1, and this is the point, this is second point in the pm, it is the second point. So x2 comma y2, let x2 comma y2. Now apply the formula, distance formula, then you will have square root of x2 minus x1. So x minus x means, shall I write directly, 0 square plus 0 minus y whole square. This is equal to, again, p n you want, p n. What is the first point? P. What is the second point? N. So now what we have to do, n is the second point, so x2 comma y2 will be n. So this is x2 and it is y2. Now apply the formula, pn is x2 minus x1 means 0 minus x whole square, nothing but minus x whole square, plus y2 minus y1, nothing but y minus 1. Y minus y is 0. 0 square means 0 only. So if you simplify it, you see friends, both having a square root, so you can cancel in the next step, squaring on both sides. Squaring, if you done a squaring on both sides, then you will have, then simply you see friends, this square and this one getting cancelled, then you will have y square Minus y whole square means what? Y square only, na? Y square minus x whole square is what? X square. Of course, you can say this one is like this. Y square minus x square is equal to 0, or y is equal to plus or minus x. Of course, you can also say y here x square minus y square is equal to 0. Okay, y is equal to plus or minus x, or of course you can also say x square minus y square is equal to 0. Okay friends, this one you can also write y plus x into y minus x is equal to 0. These are represented straight lines, so the locus of this point represent a straight line. Friends, now we are solving this one by using the geometrical by using GeoGebra also. I will verify. Okay friends, actually in the GeoGebra you cannot take this point x comma 0, x comma 0 you cannot take, y comma 0 also you cannot take, but you have to give the definite value. If you written x comma 0 point, it will be shown that undefined. Okay, one moment please, I will show you. You see friends, now if I taken a point here, if I taken a point here x comma 0, what will happen? You see x comma 0. Now where it is? It is not visible for you. Yes or no? It is not visible for you. X comma 0. So what you have to do means you consider the point, definite point you have to take here. Definite point. I am taking a definite point friends. So let us consider 0 x in one moment please. In place of x I am taking a x comma 0, I am taking 3 comma 0. 3 comma 0. 3 comma 0. Right. Next another pointer, you consider same distance. Now you have to take same distance, generally you have to take. Okay, so that will be 0 comma 3. 0 comma 3. 0 comma 3. If you have a doubt, I can take 0 comma minus 3 also. It's not an issue because that is also same distance from the coordinate axis. Yes or no? So you see friends, now 0 comma minus 3 if I take it. Next I can also take minus 3 comma 0. Minus 3 comma 0. If I taken like this, what will happen? Now you see I am taking a point P which is equidistant from the coordinate axis. Okay, now I have to prove the locus of the equation, locus of the point where it is moving. Friends, you see, if you want to take a point, you can take 0 comma 0, you may take 2 comma 2, you may take 3 comma 3, 4 comma 4, and 0 here minus 2 comma 2, minus 4 comma 4, or else minus 4 minus 4, and 3 minus 3. You can take anywhere you can take, but it should be equidistance. Okay friends, now you see, just I am taking a point. What we got actually? Y square minus x square is equal to 0. We have, yes or no? Y is x square minus y square is equal to 0. Both will be equal. Okay, now this is equal to, friends, you see, just I am considering a point here. Considering a point here. See, the point is, so if I consider the point I am considering here friends, you see. Now this is our point P. This is our point P. Now P is a point what? 3.58 comma 3.58. So distance from x and y both are from the coordinate axis equal or not? You see it is moving. Where it is moving, you see? Yes, it is moving like this. If it is moved, what is the distance? X value is here minus 1.93. Here x value 1.93. Both are same or not? Distance here, don't take negative sign and positive sign. If it is in the first quadrant, then here, if it is here, then plus plus. If the value point is here, minus plus. If the point is here, minus minus. If the point is here, plus minus. Okay, I will show you third point. You see. Now if it is in the fourth quadrant, where it is, you see, here you are getting plus minus. Next, if it is in the third quadrant, then you see value minus 3.8 comma minus 3.8. Okay, for you, I will take some more points also. You see, here I am taking the point. Here also I am taking a point. Here also I am taking a point. Now you see friends, if point is moving, the point E is moving, then you have to get locus of this equation. Okay. Friends, you see now what we have to take? Equidistance with the coordinate axis. If you take it, then locus we need. You see it is moving now. What will happen? You see. See it is touching, first it touched G, next F, next H, next now here also. So it is are, all the points are where x square minus y square is equal to 0. So this gives a locus of the equation. You see our equation is this one or not? Same. Clear? So from this what you can say means, you can say the equation of locus of point equidistant from the coordinate axis are x square minus y square equal 0, or simply you can say y square x square minus y square is equal 0, or y square is equal to x square, or else y is equal to plus or minus x, or y square minus x square is equal to 0. Anyone you can say. Okay, right friends, thank you for watching this video.